for you.
Come on, let's see what Jackson, let's see what Junior's doing.
Oh, can you read it?
Yeah. Dear Junior, let's play a game to see if you can find your
special.
Your secret
present from me, Santa Claus. Here is your first clue.
Right, what's your first clue? Oh look, it's like a rhyme.
It's not in the sitting room.
What's the next line?
You might need to think. Why not look for something nice and blue under the sink?
Under the sink? Come on, let's go!
Santa Claus!
Let's go and have a look under the sink.
You gotta look for something nice and what?
Blue.
Blue. And the cupboard's under the sink. There's another one. Right. Read what this one says. Oh, it's another clue.
Well done, you found the next clue. I love the mince pie you left for me. Here is your next clue. I've run out of blue, so the next one is red. Why don't you try looking under your bed?
Under your bed?
Santa Claus.
Under your bed.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Let's go.
Under your bed! Under your bed, under your bed.
Got it.
Oh!
Got it.
Read the letter then.
Read the letter, see what it says.
Well, this one's lost. Dear Junior, you have been such a good boy this year. Well done for finding your
Secret.
present. I hope it is what you asked me for. Enjoy Christmas. Lot of love, and tell your money not to burp when you all eat Christmas dinner. I do think she burps too much. Not too much.
Yeah, too much.
For a lady.
Do you want to open your present and see what he got?
That's another present.
It's another present.
Give me a clue. Some Transformers.
It's off Transformers. Got the cellophane off.
I can't
You did it?
Is that the one you wanted?
Oh look. It's Ratchet.
But it's green.
Yeah?
Is that the one you wanted?